Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TFX on Google Cloud for ML pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. To activate TFX on Google Cloud for ML pipelines, start by logging into your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Ensure that billing is enabled for your project. Enable the necessary APIs by navigating to the API library. Search for and enable the AI Platform API. Next, enable the Cloud Storage API. In the Cloud Console, open the Cloud Storage section. Create a new bucket for your TFX components. Choose a globally unique name for your bucket and select a location type. After creating the bucket, take note of the bucket name for later use. Now, download and install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. Authenticate your SDK by running the command cloud init in your terminal. Follow the prompts to select your project and authenticate your account. Once authenticated, you can now use TFX. Install TFX using pip by running pip install TFX in your terminal. Create a new directory for your TFX pipeline project. Navigate to this directory using the command line. Inside the directory, create a Python script for your TFX pipeline. Define your components using TFX's built-in libraries. Specify your input data, transformations, and model training parameters. Set up orchestration for your pipeline using Apache Airflow or Kubeflow pipelines as needed. Configure TFX to use your Google Cloud Storage bucket by specifying the bucket name in your script. To run your pipeline, deploy it on the AI platform. Use the Cloud Command Line tool to submit your TFX pipeline job. Monitor the job's progress in the Cloud Console under AI Platform Jobs. Once completed, check the results and outputs of your pipeline. Make adjustments to the pipeline as needed and rerun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.